Welcome to King Ornan. King Ornan is a solution provider with 10 years of experience in the lighting field. We have more than 10 years of experience in electronic parts and components before King Ornan is found. King Ornan was established in 2012 by Alinna Chan. In 2012, we began to focus on LED lighting products, and over the years it has grown to be one of the leading light manufacturers in China. From design to production, we take responsibility for all kinds of light products, such as LED panel lights, indoor lighting, and outdoor lighting, which can offer our clients high-quality products and services. We serve customers by setting up different factories to manufacture different products, including LED spotlights, LED downlights, LED batten lights, LED tube lights, LED track lights, LED linear lights, and emergency lighting products. We also develop outdoor lighting solutions including floodlights, street lights, and high bay lights that meet SKD standards. In addition to that, we create grow lights, aluminium profiles, LED strips light, smart lighting solutions, and magnetic track light series, as well as accessories for all our products. We are experts in the field of LED lighting, so whether you're looking for indoor or outdoor stability, we will provide you with the right product. We are a trusted leader in lighting, manufacturing, and distributing LED lights across Asia. With over 10 years of experience, we have established long-lasting business relationships with our loyal customers. Our customers include importers, distributors, wholesalers, etc. We do OEM and ODM service, also customized products. Whatever products you need, we will be your credit supplier in China. We are ready to serve. Let's go for win-win business.